हाय देयर, दिस इज़ मंजीत एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम एक ऐसे शो के बारे में बात करेंगे जो मैंने साल या 1.5 साल पहले देखा था। शो का नाम है बैरी। इट इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय बिल हेडर एंड एलिक बर्ग। एंड इफ़ यू नो अबाउट बिल हेडर देन इट्स गुड, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो अबाउट हिम देन बिल हेडर वॉज इन एसएनएल फॉर मैनी ईयर्स। एसएनएल मतलब सैटरडे नाइट लाइव। सैटरडे नाइट लाइव में बंदे ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा किल किया। ही वॉज इन अ वेराइटी ऑफ स्केचेस and he can literally impersonate anyone. Robert De Niro, Jack Nicholson, Al Pacino, you name anyone, and he has already done their impressions. Meanwhile, starring in SNL, he was also in many of the movies like Superbad and Bucket List. So if you really want to get familiar with the work of Bill Hader, then उसके बहुत सारे sketches जो हैं वो YouTube पर ही available हैं, and I will put the link in the description box of my favorite sketches of him from SNL, which are Stefan, the fashion designer, and the second one is the Italian talk show host guy. बात रही एलेक बर्ग की, तो एलेक बर्ग का मैंने इतना काम नहीं देखा है, ऑल्दो आई हैव हर्ड दैट ही हैज रिटन many episodes of Seinfeld, and he's also an executive producer on Curb Your Enthusiasm by Larry David. So I'm really looking forward to watch more of his stuff. Coming back to the plot of Barry, Barry का plot बहुत ही typical है. Barry is a contract killer who kills people for money, and he is hired by high level criminals or gangs to just eliminate people. However, the twist is that he doesn't find any sort of fun, or nobody finds fun in that, but any sort of excitement in doing what he is doing. And he is very depressed by the nature of his job. In meanwhile, while on one of his elimination mission, he discovers his passion for acting and kind of decides to put everything off and to leave everything behind and pursue total acting. But what happens is that he decides to leave his past behind, but the past doesn't leave him behind at all. और सीरीज में बहुत सारे ऐसे मोमेंट्स हैं जहाँ पर उसका जो हिस्ट्री है ऑफ nagging and associating with criminals just keeps on coming into his present life, and turns out that if he wants to lead a peaceful life, then he has to keep killing people, and he just cannot stop no matter what. Situation ऐसी बन जाती है that he has to just get indulged in what he was doing before, and that is how the show Barry progresses. बहुत ही interesting and बहुत ही different approach to a topic which was like never ventured enough, and that is one of the reason I like Barry. The two characters which are my favorite from the whole series are Henry Winkler and Stephen Root. Henry Winkler plays the role of the drama teacher who teaches Barry acting and gets into a very close relationship with him as his mentor and his trainer, and he was in Heroes and he was nominated for a Golden Globe award for that, and so I really liked his transitional performance in Barry. And my second favorite, which is my favorite of the favorite, which is Stephen Root. The character of Stephen Root is the heart and soul of Barry. He is one of my favorite character in the whole series. मतलब जब भी उसका कैरेक्टर स्क्रीन पे आता है, you have no choice but to laugh uncontrollably. And he season 2 episode 5 एक episode है Barry का, which is my favorite, and I have not seen anything which is that much diabolically funny. So I really recommend you to watch that, because uh, I remember that watching that episode and thinking that have I seen anything funnier than this, and I think that I have not. So if you are looking for something that is filled with dark humor and is highly critically acclaimed, then Barry is the one you should go for, and do share your experience after watching it. And that's all for today. Keep watching movies.